B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I've sung my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me? A is for apple, so juicy and sweet. B is for bear with big claws and feet. C is for cat with whiskers so fine. D is for dog, a furry friend of mine. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for frog, hopping away. G is for guitar, strumming a tune. H is for hat, one on a sunny afternoon. I is for ice cream, a tasty delight. J is for jelly spread on toast so right. K is for kite, flying high in the air. L is for lion with a mighty roar to share. M is for monkey, swinging in a tree. N is for nest, where birdies might be. O is for octopus with tentacles so long. P is for pizza, a favorite for so long. Q is for queen, regal and grand. R is for rainbow, coloring the land. S is for sun, shining so bright. T is for train, chugging with might. U is for umbrella, keeping us dry. V is for a violin, playing a lullaby. W is for whale, swimming in the sea. X is for xylophone, making music with glee. Y is for yo-yo, going up and down. Z is for zebra, with stripes all around. Now I've sung my ABCs. Next time won't you sing with me?